Polymodeling is more like, oh, you basically work with the individual geometry and create it kind of like from scratch. And sculpting is a bit more like organic, working with clay. So the question would be like, well, which one should I use? Should I use sculpting or should I use polymodeling? And my answer is both. Of course. No, the reason why I say both is that you're not going to get away with only one of them. You really, if you want to create really great 3D, 2D looking characters, no, 2D, 3D looking characters, no, whatever, 3D characters that look 2D, you want to use both polymodeling and sculpting. Like if I say you, oh, you should, if I tell you, oh, you should polymodel the whole character, and you're like, yeah, sounds about right, I'll do that right now. Then you can probably just go to polymodeling. But if you say like, wait, polymodeling, like, what is that? I don't get anything. You should probably start with sculpting. Or of course, if you like sculpting more, if you prefer sculpting, if you like to have sculpting involved in your workflow, like me, for example, I usually start any character by sculpting them. You know, you should start with sculpting. Sculpting is basically just like the pre-step before you go over to polymodeling. If you just don't like sculpting, I can tell you just, you know, you can skip sculpting if you learn how to polymodel, so whatever, right? If you want to learn more about 3D anime, make sure to check out my free 3D anime course here on YouTube. In there, I basically try to condense all the information that I have gathered over the last 2.5 years of creating my projects and learning things and researching things and testing things, basically. And I've tried to put it all into this one course for free, which you can see and find on YouTube. So if you're curious about that and want to learn more and go more in depth in creating your own 3D anime, for example, make sure to check out the description where you'll find the link to it. Otherwise, I guess you can also just enjoy more of these clips if you want. So yeah, do whatever you want.